Yo guys, if you are tired of struggling with affiliate marketing, or you are looking to start a profitable affiliate marketing business without all the stress and hard work involved, then ensure you listen to everything I want to say in this video. By now, I know you are probably tired of buying courses here and there. You have bought courses and these courses have left you even more confused. You are tired, you are frustrated, and you are almost giving up. Relax, don't worry. I and my team at SabiMentors, we have created a super affiliate system that will give you or anybody everything they need to start a 6 to 7 figure per month affiliate marketing business in as little as 7 hours. Yes, 7 hours. Why did I make that bold statement? Simple. We've done all the hard work for you and created everything you need. We've created the sales funnels, we've written the hard copies and email copies, we've designed the graphics, we've written the pre-sale articles, we've written the social media content, we've designed premium graphics, we have researched the audience, we have added the premium tools, and we have also created a simple to understand video training, and we have also added support to guide you in your journey. Now all you have to do is to plug and play into our system and get started right away. Now with this system, affiliate marketing will become so much easy for you. To learn more about the system and how you can get started, click the link below, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. I can't wait to make your affiliate marketing business so much more easier for you. So click the link below to get started and see you on the inside. Peace out.